voice to text in CapCut. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to convert a voice to text to any language. All you have to do now, after you open the CapCut, you import your voice like this. Go to this caption section. After you go to the caption, in this option now, select the language that you want to get the text from it. Let's say my voice is in English and you want to get Arabic language, Arabic text, or you want to get Spanish text. So just button and you can go now and select the text that you want to get from voice. So like a French or English. So for me, I'll go with the English. After you select the language you want to get the text from it and tap on this generate button. So from there, it will give you the text. As you can see now, it will convert your voice into the text that you selected. So all you have to do now, just go ahead now and highlight text. After you highlight the text like this, now it will give you the text at this size, at this site. All you have to do now, just go ahead and copy the text. So you can go ahead now and copy text and use it in your project. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.